Before reading chapter 1, the story of village Palampur, I would like to explain you about Palampur. Palampur is a village, artificial village, where we are going to face many basic problems of farmers, like water problem, seasonal rainfall, the lack of human power, dependence of monsoon, lack of knowledge, capital for modern production techniques result into low productivity. Non-underdeveloped non-agricultural sectors in village are fails to give a sufficient alternatives, work opportunity, and other types of the problems we are facing in this Palampur village. Let we start our reading. Overview. First of all, we read the overview of this chapter. The purpose of the story is to introduce some basic problems, basic concept relating to production, and this we do through a story of a hypothetical village called Palampur. Already explained, it is a hypothetical village, artificial village, where we are going to face a basic concept relating to production. Relating to production means capital. The production means that ultimately there is the goods and it is used for capital. Farming is the main activity in Palampur. The main activity of villages all over India is farming. So Palampur is a village where the farming is the main activity, whereas several other activities such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. are carried out on a limited scale. So main activity is farming, and auxiliary activities are some other activities like dairy, transportation, and other activities which is going on in village side by side with the farmings are assistant activities or auxiliary activities. These production activities need various types of resources. So all the activities need some resources, and some are natural resources are there and some are man-made resources. So man-made items, human efforts, money, etc. are also needed. As we read through the story of Palampur, we will learn how various resources combine to produce the desired good and services in the villages. So for making a desired goods, desired item, we need different activities collaborated together to make desirable goods, needed item at last, and this is useful for ultimately productive activities. All the things are needed for production at last. Introduction. Palampur is a well connected with neighboring villages and towns. It is a well connected town, well connected village nearby the town. Raiganj, a big village, is 3 kilometers from Palampur. It is nearby. The one town is there, and the one big village is there, Raiganj. And all weathers and roads connects the village to Raiganj, and further on to the nearest small town of Sahapur. And there is a town that is Sahapur nearby. Many kinds of transports are visible on the roads, starting from the bullock carts, and it is a well-connected town, well-connected villages, and there is a good facility of transportation to reach the village and to reach the town. So there are the bullock carts are available, tangas are there, bogies are there, wooden cart drawn by the buffaloes are called bogies, loaded with the jaggeries, good, and other commodities to motor vehicles like motorcycles, jeeps, tractors, and trucks. So we can say that Palampur is a well village and well connected village with transportation. So, and it is near to the town Sahapur, and there is a one big village is there, Raiganj. This village has about 450 families belonging to the several different castes. There are the 450 families are there, The 80 upper caste families own the majority of the land in the village. 80 is upper caste families and rest are not so well to do. Their houses, some of them quite large, are made up of bricks with cement plastering. Some houses are rich family houses are and upper caste families made up with pakka makan, that is called cementing houses. The SCs, Dalits comprise one third of the population. One third population belongs to the SC group, scheduled caste group, and live in one corner of the village. They live in the one side of the village and in much smaller houses, some of which are of mud and straw, and they are kacha makans. They are not made up of the plasters, and most of the houses has electric connections. Most of the houses in the village have electric connections are there. Electricity powers all the tube wells in the fields, and there is a good supply of electricity, and there is a pump tube well which is running through the electricity in the fields and is used in various types of small businesses, and lot of business activity is going through it. Palampur has two primary schools. The village Palampur has two primary schools and one high school. So the village is well equipped with the school facilities. Primary school is there. Two schools are there. Primary two schools are there and one high school. There is a primary health center, PHC, primary health center, run by the government, and one private dispensary. So dispensary is there, primary health center is there, one private dispensary where the sick are treated. So it is well equipped with the education facility, well equipped with electricity, and well equipped with the primary health services.